Hello guys, welcome to my channel the MS Link Hacker. Today I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux in VMware Workstation Player. Okay, before starting the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, before installing Kali Linux, you need to download an ISO file. So I have included the link in the description below. Just download the Kali Linux image file. Just copy the link from the description and paste it in your browser. Okay, after that just download the ISO file. You can download it either torrent or direct. Yes, you just click on the link. After that the download will get started. Okay, no need for me to download it. I have already downloaded it in my computer, so I'm gonna pause it. Okay, after the download is completed, just open VMware Player. If you don't know how to install VMware Player in Windows 10, I have made another video on how to install it. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Just follow that tutorial. Okay, then when VMware Workstation Player started, just click on create a new virtual machine. Okay, after that select this second option, installer disk image file ISO. Just after that the browse to your download folder. Okay, I have downloaded Kali Linux in this folder. Just select the file, it's an ISO file. Just click on it and select open. Okay, after that click next. Select case operating system to Linux, and just keep version to default. Click next. Okay, just rename our machine. Okay, I'm gonna name it Kali Linux. Select next. So set the disk size around 20 GB. Smaller than that it will cause problem during installation, so keep in mind to set it minimum about 20 GB. Okay, in this option just I will recommend you to select store virtual disk as a single file. Select it and click next. Okay, select and go on customize hardware. Okay, allocate your memory around 3 GB and set your processors. So I recommend you to select it around 3 processors so it won't lag. Okay, after that just close it and click finish. Okay, so we have set up the VMware container. Just click on power on button here, green button. Okay, after that this window appears. It also asks for this software updates also. If it asks, select download and install. I would like to install it later. Okay, then in this window let's go to graphical install. Select it and go to graphical install. Okay, so after this option, it's just similar to my another video. I'm just gonna copy the rest of the portion of that video and paste it in here. Just follow the same steps. It's just same way to install in VirtualBox and VMware. Okay, select your language. I'm going with English. Select your location. It will set up the time zone. Let's keep it default. Okay, configuring the keyboard. Okay, Okay, it asks for name, server address. Yes, you can write anything. I will write. Okay, I will give it my name. Okay, I'll write it default Kali. No need to set domain name. Okay, so give the username. Okay, username for account, give it. After that, it asks for password. Just write the password, re-enter it. Okay, after that, click on continue. So configuring the clock, just select your time zone, click continue. Okay, just select the first option, guided use entire disk, and click continue. Again, click continue. So select all files in one partitions. Okay, after that, finish partitioning and writing changes to disk. Click continue. Yes, write changes to disk. Select option yes and click continue. Okay, it's installing the base system. Okay, after the installation of base system is completed, it asks for HTTP proxy information. Just click on continue. It will configure the package manager. Okay, after the package manager install is completed, it will ask to uh, install the softwares. Okay, so software selection. So in this software selection window, select which desktop environment do you like for Linux. I will recommend it. I will recommend you to like. I will recommend you to click XFCE. It's just basic and it use less resources. Okay, after that, just click continue. You can install required software later also according to your choice from App Manager. Okay, just click install. Continue. Okay, the software installation process is started. Just wait for it to complete. Okay, the installation is now completed. Okay, after the installation is completed, it asks for installation of graph bootloader. Just select S and continue. Just select the drive, second one, and click continue. After that, it will install graph bootloader on the drive. Okay, it is finalizing the installation. Okay, the installation is successfully completed. After that, click continue. And it will reboot in Kali Linux. Just wait for it to reboot. So okay, we have successfully downloaded Kali Linux, installed it, and loaded it in our virtual machine. So thanks for watching the video. This much for today. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel.